McKenna, are you just relaxing? So McKenna's in her playpen. The fidget cube was up there. She climbed up there all by herself, got it, and then decided to just relax and play with it. Because that's what the babies do. What are you doing, little girl? Did the boppy attack you? She's still got the fidget cube. This thing is amazing. Working on our hand-eye coordination. Just relaxing. I guess we're done relaxing now. You can't win in this small of a space with a boppy. Here, I take it. I got it. Now what? Is that what you needed? You needed a hand up? Okay. We're reorganizing. We'll see you later.